So okay, right over here you have the HostGator page, and I'm gonna click on the button sign in. So I will show you how you sign in to your hosting account that you've just purchased. So right over here, and I'll wait. So said right over here, you're gonna enter your email. For example, the gmail.com. For security reasons, I don't show. And it's loading my control panel, and here you can manage your website. That's the reason why you need hosting. So it's loading. It's taking very long with my slow internet connection. And right over here, we are going to install WordPress. So I'm going to navigate to the blue button, and I'm going to click on Install Now. Select your primary domain, and right over here, the subdirectory. In your case, you can leave this empty. And I'll enter WP for WordPress, and right over here, you can use your username, your admin username, and right over here, your admin password. And okay, so now we are going to enter the admin password and the admin email. And okay, double check if I have everything. The classic editor, we need the classic tutorial. So okay, and down, and you can select your templates. I'm gonna explain that later, and we are also going to install the theme in this tutorial. So I will click install. So welcome to your dashboard. Okay, this is your WordPress dashboard.